everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Elated. I make videos related to DIY, art craft, lifestyle, fashion, food, etc. You can check out in my bio. For starting into the video, I have a small request from you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do subscribe, and don't forget to hit on that bell button such that if I upload any new video, you'll get notified first, and subscription is totally free of cost. So in this busy schedule, we couldn't take care of our hairs such that our hairs will be so frizzy, it will be no smooth, and it will be so dry, and you can see hair fall. So in this video, I again came with a product review, and this product is so affordable. This product which helps you to give frizzy free, smooth and bouncy finish. Then without any further ado, let's start into the video. Guys, first I gonna give review, later on I gonna show demo also, so please do watch till end of my video, don't skip at any part. Product is from Berina Hair and Care Style, and here how the bottle looks. So you can see the bottle is in attractive color and it is well shaped also. If you open this cap, you can see the serum disposing pump. This is the best part, such that you can carry this product wherever you want while traveling. Friends, this is made up of 100% avocado oil, and which is enriched with vitamins. And the best part is here it will be suitable for all hair types, and it will be suitable for all age. Friends, now let me discuss why we should use this Berina Hair Serum. Firstly, if you use this, it helps to prevent from frizziness and it gives you a smooth finish. And if your hairs are not so bouncy, it helps to give bouncy finish also. Now let us discuss its net worth and what to buy or not. This total bottle you will get for 100 ml and the price is only 190 rupees. This 100 ml bottle you are getting only for 190 rupees. That is the best part. Worth to buy or not? Definitely yes, it is worth, because it's only of 190 rupees you are getting of 100 ml, and this 100 ml will be long lasting of nearly 6 to 8 months. Guys, even if you buy this product on online, you will be getting discount on this with 10 to 20 rupees. Now let me move towards a small demo. Before applying this product, just wash your hair such that it will give you a good finish. I just washed my hair and blow dried, and it is almost dried of 90%. Now I will take 2 sips of serum. 1, 2. After taking 2 sips, I'm gonna gently rub on my hands like this. Guys, I forgotten you to tell the smell. The smell of the product is really good. Avocado smell. It is so mild, it is not harsh. It is good. Now I'm gonna apply all over my hairs like this. I will not apply to my scalp. I just apply lower my hairs like this. After application of this, you can style your hair however you want, and you can apply this before straightening your hair. And guys, for the best result, use twice a week. This is about a small demo of this serum. Now let us discuss one positive element and one negative element of this serum. If I want to say about the positive element, it is of 100 ml, a good quantity, and it is worth to buy because it is only of 190 rupees and it gives you a smooth finish. This is one negative element of this. Yeah, if you guys want to buy this product, I'll share the link in the description. You can go and check it out once on Amazon. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video and liked my review. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much, guys.